Hello everyone, this is Anam Malik presenting Fantasy Extreme, a decentralized fantasy sports platform built on ICP. Fantasy Extreme is a multi-fantasy sports platform that is developed by AMMAG Technologies and incubated by Quantum Leap Labs along with ICP Hub in Canada and the US. Before diving into Fantasy Extreme, let me briefly introduce the company behind it, AMMAG Technologies. AMMAG Technologies has been providing software development services for more than half a decade, specializing in blockchain solutions. We have developed many white label products for various clients globally. Our dedicated teams cover various technology stacks, including Hyperledger, Solidity, Rust, Motoko, .NET, Python, AI, and both MERN and MEAN stacks. Additionally, we have in-house design and marketing teams. AMMAG Technologies is registered in US, Canada, and Pakistan. Fantasy sports is a booming industry with over 70 million players in North America only. Globally, the fantasy sports market is valued at $30.83 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow to an impressive $59.6 trillion by 2029. It's a remarkable annual growth rate of 14.9% approximately. This explosive growth presents an incredible opportunity to engage with the passionate and over-expanding community. So at Fantasy Extreme, we cater to the diverse and rapidly growing audience, including soccer fans, players, crypto enthusiasts, and investors alike. With so many established fantasy sports platforms out there, you might wonder why Fantasy Extreme. The truth is, most existing platforms fall short in two critical areas. Number one, they provide minimal meaningful rewards and rely on outdated banking systems, which limit access for the players worldwide. This creates unnecessary barrier, particularly for the global users, and stifles the potential for real engagement and fair rewards. Additionally, almost all established fantasy football platforms in both Web2 and ICP ecosystem typically operate on a game-week basis. Imagine pouring your time and energy into managing fantasy teams all weekend only to end up with nothing more than bragging rights. It's hardly feel worth the effort. Add to that the frustration of being limited by geography, where talented players miss out on opportunity simply because of inaccessible payment systems. Fantasy sports fans deserve a platform that values their efforts, rewards their skills, and is accessible to everyone regardless of location. Fantasy Extreme, built on ICP blockchain, solves these problems. It provides global access, match-based participation, and opportunity to win instant rewards. Fantasy Extreme is not restricted to football. We plan to integrate other sports like basketball, rugby, and American football as well. We utilize HTTPS outcalls to consume Web2 APIs and implement heartbeat technology to automatically initiate live stats updates every 30 seconds during live matches. Now let's walk through the project demo and see how does it bring an immersive gaming experience for the users. To start using Fantasy Extreme, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Once the app is launched, we offer users two ways to connect to our ecosystem. First with your internet identity, second through NFID. By following the simple steps, your internet identity will be created and you will be able to continue with the Fantasy Extreme. We have integrated NFID to provide a seamless Web2-like experience. Now how to select matches and create your teams. The matches displayed here are the upcoming matches from the major series or leagues we are covering. You can select any match of your choice and create your team. Clicking on any match takes users directly to the contest page. It shows all the contests for the selected matches. Here you can create your team, choose your preferred formation, and player statuses are updated as soon as lineups are announced. Select your starting 11, then substitutes, and you're all set with the virtual team for the match. Once your team is created, you are ready to join a contest. Here you have the option to join bronze, mini, or mega contest. To join spawn contest, you'll need one bronze NFT. By joining Fantasy Extreme on social media, you can win bronze NFT that allows you to enter multiple matches for free. Alternatively, you can join mini contest for 0.1 ICP or mega contest for 1 ICP. You can also see the results from the latest matches where players are ranked based upon number of earnings they have made globally. User dashboard. User dashboard provides an overview of all user-related details. Users can view their stats as well as upcoming live or completed matches in which they have created their teams and joined contests. The page also displays our detailed transaction history of users' accounts. As the live match unfolds, the rankings are updated in real time. Our points refresh every 30 seconds, ensuring that the rankings stay current and accurate throughout the match. Reward calculator. As mentioned earlier, rewards are a crucial aspect of our platform, which is often lacking in traditional systems. We have developed a reward calculator to help users estimate their potential winnings. Our formula is simple. 80% of all calculated fees are redistributed to top 40% of users in each contest, while remaining 20% serves as platform fee for ongoing improvements. To ensure complete transparency, our calculator provides users with a clear indication of their expected winnings. For example, in mega contest with an entry fee of 1 ICP and 1,000 participants, the total prize pool would be 1,000 ICP. Out of this, 800 ICP will be redistributed among top 2,000 users, and same goes for the mini contest too. Here is our promotion page that provides a glimpse of exclusive offers running on Fantasy Extreme. Get bronze NFT to participate in bronze contest, explore Open Chat Fantasy Challenge exclusive for Open Chat community, and weekly giveaway offers. This page updates everything for you. Join Open Chat. Here you can see Join Open Chat pop-up. By clicking on it, you can join our Open Chat community, access all platform-related announcements, and get in touch with our interactive community. Now, why ICP? The technology and experience needed for Fantasy Extreme was only possible through ICP. Other blockchains allow only parts of the ecosystem to be on-chain, with much of it remaining centralized. Our goal was to provide users with an experience as close to Web 2, and ICP made that possible. The reverse caste model is essential for attracting a large Web2 based community to our platform. Additionally, Chain Fusion will allow us to scale and expand into other blockchain ecosystems in the future. High level architecture. This is the high level architecture of our platform. The front end is built with Next.js and backend is developed using Motoko. We are currently integrating ICP payments, which are managed via ICP Ledger Canister. The S2 Canister holds and distributes contest funds as soon as winners are determined. For player stats, upcoming matches, and other data, we use rapid API access through HTTPS outcalls. We have two critical aspects in terms of gameplay: obtaining fixtures and squads for a series and retrieving in-game player stats to assign points to the users. For the first part, the process is straightforward. The admin enters the series ID provided by Rapid API, and our backend canister consumes the API through HTTPS outcalls to fetch all relevant series details. This data is then stored in backend canister. The player ranking process begins when a match starts. The heartbeat canister triggers the backend canister to pull live stats from the Rapid API. These stats are stored, converted into points, and rankings are updated on the front end every 30 seconds, giving users real-time updates. This process continues until the match ends. Once it finishes, the backend canister sends the winner details to the S2 canister, which initiates rewards distribution via the ICP ledger. We initiated this project in July, and we expect to have SNS coming within this quarter. Looking ahead, we also have plans for a mobile app and integration of additional sports too. Fantasy Extreme is not just another fantasy sports platform, it's a reimagined experience powered by cutting edge blockchain technology. Our focus on decentralization, instant rewards, and unique gameplay sets us apart from traditional platforms. We believe in creating an inclusive and rewarding environment for players worldwide, and with the support of ICP ecosystem, we are well on our way to achieving that. If you're a sports enthusiast, turn your strategic skills into real world rewards. Visit Fantasy Extreme today and leap into the future of fantasy sports with us.